One of the easiest ways to keep a conversation flowing is the keyword fishing method. Every sentence contains at least 3 key topics that you can extend into a discussion. For example, if a friend says, "I watched a movie with my friend yesterday and the plot was pretty good," you can pick friend, "Do you often watch movies together?" Movie, "What movie was it? Was it highly rated?" Or plot, "Was it a happy ending or a tragedy?" Instead of struggling to find topics, let the other person send them to you.